my colleague Santosh is also with us at this point in time. Santosh, do give us a sense of what do you see around you vis-a-vis the kind of enthusiasm and fervor that Prayagraj is witnessing today.
From early morning, we were witness, or we can say we are lucky to witness this auspicious occasion to cover this Vasant Panchami Amrit Snan, the third very important Snan of Mahakumbh that is going to be at Prayagraj. That is another name is Tirth Raj Prayagraj. Right now I am standing over the Sangam Nose. This is the area dedicated for the akhadas. When the akhadas come, this whole area is dedicated for their way. And this is the Sangam Nose. And you can see the visuals through the crowd that is gathered and that is taking the holy dip on River Ganga. And this is the auspicious day for not only for the saints, for the sages, for the akhadas, even for the common man, one who follows the Sanatan Dharma, one who believes in Sanatan Dharma, one who believes in Lord Shiva, one who believes Shivatva. And that's the reason everyone, whether saint or a common man, he takes a holy dip in River Ganga, and he thanks to Almighty for giving this opportunity to have holy dip in River Ganga. And taking holy dip in Prayagraj, that is the Tirth Raj Prayagraj, is another auspicious and important thing. So we can say this is the auspicious day for the whole Prayagraj Mahakumbh. And through the visuals, I would like to see the mount police is also going, the horse police is also taking the round of this whole area for vacating, because still the akhadas have to come here and take a holy dip. So this whole area has been cleaned up and also vacated by the common persons. Common persons are not allowed to come to come to the Sangam Nose by this passway. This is only dedicated for the akhadas, and that's the reason the cops are taking foot patrolling. Foot patrolling, and Mount Police is also there. They are instructing their cops to follow the instructions given by them. Strictly, no one is allowed. The most important thing, the foreigners are very much seen in from the early hours, that is from the 4 a.m. They also took the holy dip, and they were mesmerized. They told us that they have never felt the feeling before when they take the dip on River Ganga. So not only the Sanatan Dharma followers, even all those other religion followers also taking an opportunity, taking an opportunity to have a holy dip in River Ganga and get some good things and get some blessings of Almighty for their not only this verse, in even all in the universe, to get their all their desire to be completed. So this is the auspicious day for the Prayagraj, people, and also the Prayagraj administration was also on his toe, because on the last Amrit Snan there was a stampede on the Amavasya. Many more changes have been done. You can see the visuals that the barricading have been implemented. The cops are standing on immediately after the barricading to stop the people keep on moving. Their public address system says that please keep on moving, don't stay at one place, don't take worship or other rituals at the Sangam Nose, so that the crowd can be gathered at any one point and the pressure will be built and can unfortunate incident like a stampede can be occurred. So that's to avoid this situation. The formula of
arrangements have been made to avoid any untoward incidents, is what Santosh is telling us.